Discover the 5 best foods for seniors to strengthen legs and bones, perfect for anyone dealing with weak legs or aching bones. Imagine moving with real strength and confidence without worrying about falls or fractures. The secret is in your daily food choices. In this video, you'll learn about 5 powerful foods that naturally build strong bones and steady legs, even after 50. As we age, our bones lose density and our muscles begin to weaken, making simple activities like climbing stairs, walking, or standing for long periods feel challenging. A small misstep might cause an injury that takes months to heal, but here's the good news: your diet can change everything. The choices you make today determine how strong and mobile you'll be in the years to come. By adding the right foods to your daily meals, you can support your bones, boost muscle strength, and maintain mobility for years. It's never too late to take control of your health, and the best part is, these foods are easy to find and include in your routine. Stay with me until the end, because the #1 food on this list is a true game changer for leg strength and bone health. These tiny nuts are bone-protecting powerhouses. Almonds pack a mighty punch when it comes to bone health. They're loaded with magnesium, calcium, and vitamin E, all essential for keeping your bones strong and preventing fractures. Magnesium plays a key role in regulating calcium levels, so your bones stay dense and robust. As you age, not getting enough magnesium can impair calcium absorption, leading to weaker bones over time. Beyond their impressive mineral content, almonds also offer healthy monounsaturated fats that help reduce inflammation and support joint health. Many seniors face joint pain and stiffness from arthritis or everyday wear, and adding almonds to your diet can ease discomfort and boost flexibility. They're also an excellent source of protein, vital for maintaining muscle mass, which in turn supports your bones and joints. For an extra boost, try soaking almonds overnight. It enhances nutrient absorption and makes them easier to digest. Enjoy them in oatmeal, sprinkle them over salads or blend them into smoothies. Just a handful a day can make a big difference in keeping you active and independent. Food number 4. Sardines meet the calcium and omega-3 powerhouse. Sardines should be a staple if you want to naturally strengthen your bones and joints. These small fish are incredibly rich in calcium and vitamin D2, 2 nutrients that work together to keep your bones strong and resistant to fractures. Unlike dairy, sardines offer a natural source of calcium, with tiny edible bones full of this essential mineral. Many seniors suffer from calcium deficiencies that can lead to osteoporosis and fractures, making sardines a fantastic way to replenish your calcium levels. They're also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help keep your joints flexible. If you've been dealing with stiff knees or achy hips, eating sardines regularly might relieve discomfort and improve mobility. Plus, omega-3s are great for heart health, lowering the risk of heart disease as you age. If you're not keen on eating them straight from the can, try mashing sardines onto whole-grain toast with a squeeze of lemon, tossing them into a fresh salad, or mixing them into pasta dishes. A quick rinse under water can mellow the flavor if needed. Sardines are one of the best foods to help maintain bone density and keep your legs strong and stable. Food. Number 3. Leafy greens. Often called nature's multivitamin, leafy greens are a true bone builder. Foods like kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard are packed with essential nutrients that support overall health, especially your bones and muscles. They're loaded with calcium, vitamin K, and antioxidants, which all work together to build strong, resilient bones. Vitamin K is especially important because it activates osteocalcin, a protein that binds calcium to your bones. Without enough vitamin K, the calcium may not be used effectively, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Another fantastic benefit of leafy greens is their high nitrate content, which boosts muscle efficiency by enhancing blood flow, strength, and endurance. Regularly adding just 1 cup of leafy greens a day can make everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or standing up much easier. Whether you blend them into a smoothie with fruits like bananas and berries, add them to soups and stews, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a tasty side dish, these greens are a simple and powerful addition to your diet. Food number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is the muscle and bone strengthener you need. It's an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it one of the best foods for keeping your bones and muscles strong as you age. Our bodies naturally lose muscle mass over time, which can lead to weakness and mobility issues. The high-quality protein in Greek yogurt helps prevent muscle loss and supports recovery after physical activity. Additionally, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium to maintain bone density and prevent fractures. This powerful combination of protein and calcium makes it ideal for anyone looking to preserve strength and mobility. The probiotics in Greek yogurt also support gut health and improve nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most from your food. Enjoy it in many ways. Mix it with honey and berries for a nutritious breakfast, use it as a base for smoothies, or swap it in recipes for a healthier alternative to sour cream. It's a simple and delicious way to keep your bones strong and muscles active. Food number 1, bone. Bone broth is the ultimate joint and bone healer. Used for centuries as a natural remedy, it's rich in collagen, calcium, magnesium, and essential amino acids that help maintain strong bones, flexible joints, and resilient muscles. Collagen is particularly valuable because it helps rebuild cartilage, reducing joint pain and stiffness, and making it easier to stay active. Bone broth also acts as a natural lubricant for your joints, easing discomfort and improving flexibility. Many seniors deal with arthritis or joint degeneration, and regular bone broth consumption can help slow down these issues, keeping you pain-free for longer. Making bone broth at home is simple. Just simmer bones from chicken, beef, or fish with water, vegetables, and herbs for 12 to 24 hours. The longer you cook it, the more nutrients you extract. Drinking 1 warm cup of bone broth daily can work wonders for your joint health, bone strength, and overall mobility. Aging doesn't mean you have to lose your strength. It means you can be smarter about how you nourish your body by including these 5 powerhouse foods in your daily diet, taking a big step towards stronger legs, healthier bones, and a more active lifestyle. Which of these foods do you already enjoy? Which one will you start adding to your meals? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a future where every step is strong, steady, and full of life. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next video.